Thank you, Mr. Ishtiyaq Beg. That was, you said everything. जो मैंने कहना था सब आपने कह दिया. But Amin, Pakistan, Turkey friendship Zindabad. And now I would like to invite the children. Where are the children? Where are they sitting? Here. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. आपको नजर आ रहे हैं Engin? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इनसे? बिल्कुल कहना चाहेंगे. Engin, can you see the three children?
I can't see you anything
zoom
now.
in on the children. You can't see anything. Okay, we've lost our side of the. Now you can
Yes,
see. Okay,
now,
great.
yes,
So
hello,
these are the
guys.
three.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can we have mics for the children? That'd be great. So these are the three children who have made all our wishes come true. I mean, हम सबकी wish इंडिया से पूरी हो रही है. So can you introduce yourself? आप अपना नाम बताओ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुहेल है और मैंने ये ड्रामा पीटीवी पर देखा तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई क्योंकि इसके इस्लाम के बारे में इस्लाम की तारीख बताई गई है. उसमें बताया गया है कि कितने ही बहादुर जंगजू थे जो इस्लाम के लिए लड़ते थे और वो किसी से नहीं डरते थे, अल्लाह की रजा के लिए लड़ते थे. और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इस ड्रामे में बहुत अच्छी लगी जो कि हमारे नबी हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम लिया जाता तो आप दिल पर हाथ रखते, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है.
मैं उनको बताती हूँ कि आप क्या कह रहे हो. Let me translate for you. This is Suhail, and Suhail has just said that I saw your show Ertrol on our local channel, PTV channel, and I loved it because it's telling us about our Islamic history, and it's showing us how the heroes in our Islamic history, how they used to fight. They were not afraid of anybody. They were not afraid to lose their lives. And the thing he loved the most, your hand on your heart, and that's a gesture that he loves the most about the show. And I think we would all like to start doing that. Hum sabko karna chahiye, hai na? That's what he said to you. Do you have anything to say to him, Engin?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy for this love, actually, and I can see we have inspired you, and yeah, it's very difficult role, but it was amazing. So I'm very happy for love. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. वो कह रहे हैं कि बहुत शुक्रिया आपके प्यार का. उनको नजर आ रहा है कि आप सब बहुत प्यार करते हैं, सो वो अपने दिल से
एक्टिंग है वो बहुत रियल लगती है. जिस तरीके से आप लड़ते हैं, तलवार से आप अपनी लड़ते हैं, तुर्गुत अपनी कुल्हाड़ी चलाते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
जब ड्रामे के ड्रेस में मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, बहुत अच्छे. आज मैं हलीमा सुल्तान का ड्रेस पहन के
ठीक है. बोलो फिजा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम फिजा है। मैं आपका ड्रामा बहुत शौक से देखती हूँ। सबसे पहले इसका ट्रेलर पीटीवी और यूट्यूब में जब से मुतासिर हुए। आप मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। आपको चलने फिरने का अंदाज बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं आपसे मिलूं और मेक अ विश वालों ने मेरी ख्वाहिश पूरी की। थैंक यू।
Yes, Humayun and Zebab are here. हम आते हैं बाद में. So, where did I lose you? That Suhail is dressed up in, you know, the attire from the show, from that time
Yes,
period,
yes, I can see.
and he'd like to show it to you. So, आप खड़े हो दिखाओ. All three of them are wearing outfits from that time period. From okay, we'll bring them in front.
Oh, it's lovely.
And that's Sidra. This is Fiza. Sidra is dressed up as Halima Sultan, and she wants to know how she's looking. Is she looking like Halima?
Yeah, yeah, of course, she's look like Halima.
This is Sidra.
Yes, of course, she's look like Halima.
Okay,
She's
and
so
she
sweet.
बिल्कुल आप बिल्कुल लग रही हैं हलीमे की तरह, बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं. And both the girls also love the show, and they express their wish to meet you, and they're very thankful to you and Make-A-Wish Foundation that their wish has come true. They're extremely happy, and they love the show and they love you. So that's what they were saying.
Thanks,
Thank you.
thanks for bringing us together. Thank you very much.
And now there's a special gift for you, Engin. The children, the three children, and Mr. Ishtiaq Beg would like to present a gift to you. It's a
Thank you.
sword, and it's for you from us. And of course, because you can't physically receive it, I would like to invite the Turkish Consul General, His Excellency, and Mr. Ikhtiar Beg.
Come here,
His
beta, all the three
Excellency
children.
Tolga Ucha.
Now I want to tell you one thing. Engin, this is a very special sword which was made on order, and there is written La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved.
Thanks.
Since you are not present here, on your behalf, we are giving this sword from Make-A-Wish Children to you, which His Excellency, the Consul General, will deliver it, to you. And
you.
especially if somebody can put a little bit camera on it,
Yeah.
you can see La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved on the sword over here. So now we are giving it on your behalf, this sword, to His Excellency, the Consul General, and with us also, the Commissioner of Karachi is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Excellency, come here. Excellency, come on, beta. Aisha, you come here also. इधर आ जाएं आयशा, बैलेंस हो जाएगा. It's a beautiful sword, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, beta. Thank you so much. Excellency, this is your responsibility. Yeah, to deliver him. Thank you so much. चलो, आइए बेटा बैठे यहाँ पे.
Thank you so much. That sword is beautiful. I'm going to come to you in just a minute, Engin, but before that, I'd like to invite someone very special. She sung the original theme song of Ertrol, the Pakistani version. She sung it in Arabic and in Urdu, and she sung lots of soundtracks before. And she sung it in very beautifully. So I'd like to invite her, and we're going to play the theme song. Miss Middat Hayat, she's also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation. Hi Middat, Assalamu alaikum. Aap gayengi?
Yeah.
Do you want to stand in the center? Great. Okay. So Middat is going to sing for us.
Thank you.
Very important people from our industry who are sitting right in front of us. Mr. Humayun Said, he's one of the top actors of the country. He's also a director, and he's also a producer. And Miss Zeba Bakhtiar is also one of the top actors, producers, directors of our country. Seated next to her is Mr. Nadeem Beg, who is one of the top, in fact, the top director of Pakistan right now. And they will be visiting Turkey very soon as well. And I will now send the mic over to them if they have a few words to say to you. Yes, I'm going to call them here. Humayun, aa jaiye. Mr. Humayun Said. I think if we were to make a version of Ertrol, Humayun would play your character.
Ah,
Hello,
hello, salam alaikum.
Angan. Abe. Inshallah, we will meet you soon. After
Inshallah,
this.
inshallah.
I watched all your episodes, like 400 or 500 episodes, and the main reason was your acting. Seriously, the way you perform your character, the way you carried your, character, the way you fight, the way you do all action scenes, they were really, really good.
Thank you very much.
Seriously, I watched all the episodes just because of you.
Thanks.
इश्तियाक भाई, आपने और मैं भी 2 दफा इन बच्चों से मिल चुका हूँ और ख्वाहिशात को पूरा किया है, और यकीनन इनकी ये भी ख्वाहिश होगी कि अर्तुल से आज हम सब मिल रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू अर्तुल. अर्तुल एंगन. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Humayun. And now I'd like to invite Miss Zeba Bakhtiar to come and say a few words.
I'm so sorry, but I don't have too much time and I have to go to meeting now.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so sorry.
Yes, sorry. You don't have too much.
It's a contribution to Islamic history. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we're going to wrap up the session. Thank you so much, Angan, for your precious time.
you.
We're going to take one photograph. It's going to take literally 1 minute. So can I have everybody up here for a photograph?
Thank you.
And then we're going to say goodbye to you. Okay, all the children. Hello. Thank you so much for your precious time. Engin, just one last question. Do you have 1 or 2 minutes or do you have to go right now?
I have to go right now.
You have to go right now. Okay.
I'm so
We
sorry.
wanted the press to ask a few questions, but unfortunately he has to leave. No, not at all. We totally understand. Thank you. We love you once again. Cannot wait to meet you.
Thank you.
And you're just amazing. Thank you for this.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
So,
And he's gone. Guys, of course, by time ki to bahut कीमती time है, and I think we started a few minutes late. Otherwise, we would have, had the media ask a few questions. लेकिन this is just beautiful कि ये हुआ भी. Physically possible तो नहीं था एंगन का यहाँ पे आना, लेकिन virtually अब possible है. यही है हमारा new normal. इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द मुझे लगता है अगले महीने physically खुद आ रहे हैं एंगन. So any other, I think we should have इश्तियाक साहब आपको मीडिया से कुछ interaction. So any questions that the media has, तो इश्तियाक साहब आपसे आ जाइए.
Thank you very much. First of all, again, one more time, I will thank you to all the guests who are present here today. It was very limited gathering because we just invited very few people over here. The people who are a great supporter of Make-A-Wish. And Engin, everybody know how busy he is. He gave us 1 hour. We were a little bit late, but soon there are 2 more kids. We are talking to them, and hopefully that he's going to give us the time, and we will take these kids to Istanbul to meet him physically over there. Children's come here, please. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मैं आपको अब उर्दू में बतलाना चाहता हूँ about Make-A-Wish. Like we said कि हम 13,000 wishes को पूरा कर चुके हैं, और ये बच्चे इस वक्त जो हमारे साथ हैं ये भी क्रिटिकली इल बीमारियों में हैं. बड़े प्यारे बच्चे हैं, एंड इस्लाम से कितना प्यार करते हैं, एंगिन को कितना लाइक करते हैं. अगर ये चाहते तो हमसे कोई विश मांग सकते थे, बट दे सेड कि नहीं जी, अवर विश इज टू मीट हिम. एंड इंशाल्लाह मोर बच्चों को हम लेके जाएंगे. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि मेक-ए-विश फाउंडेशन का मिशन है कि कोई बच्चा कोई ख्वाहिश लेके इस दुनिया से रुखसत नहीं हो और एक चेहरे पे उसकी मुस्कुराहट हो. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि हम काफ़ी ख्वाहिशात पूरी कर चुके हैं इसके अंदर, बट टुडेज विश वाज वेरी यूनिक विश, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि द चिल्ड्रंस दे आर हैप्पी. एंड टुडे आज इन्होंने गेटअप भी उसी ड्रेस के अंदर किया है, और मेक-ए-विश की वॉलंटियर ने जो सॉन्ग किया है. हमायूं, थैंक यू सो मच. ज़ेबा, थैंक यू सो मच. बेग साहब, थैंक यू सो मच, आप लोग यहाँ पे आए. एंड आल्सो कमिश्नर कराची, द कौंसल जनरल ऑफ टर्की, एंड ख़ास तौर पे मेक-ए-विश की जो ट्रस्टीज यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं. Justice Saiba, thank you so much. आप आए. आफ्ताब साहब is a very great fan of and he always supported Make-A-Wish, and he's here also. So thank you very much. और चाय का इंतजाम हमने यहाँ पे किया है. जब तक हम चाय पियेंगे, यही प्ले सॉन्ग जो है हमारे इद्दत ने गाया है, मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा इद्दत एक बार इस सॉन्ग को फिर आप प्ले कर दें, या तो गा के या प्ले करके. इन द मीन टाइम चाय का इंतजाम यहाँ पे हुआ है. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी. शुक्रिया. इंतजाम किया हुआ जी. प्लीज ज्वाइन अस ओवर द टी प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच. जितने भी हमारे बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टीज और हमारे वीआईपीस आए हुए हैं वो अपनी सीट पे तशरीफ रखें, क्योंकि चाय वहाँ पे सर्व की जाएगी और बाकी चाय का इंतजाम जो है सब वहाँ पे किया गया है. प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच.